I want to show you how to make money on TikTok. That's right. I bet you didn't know that you can actually make money from being on TikTok and through other ways or other avenues. Stay tuned. So I've been on TikTok for about a year, going on a year and a half right now. And at first I was just doing it for fun and video. And of course that's what I'm still doing it for, because I like to make people laugh and providing quality content. And I love video and everything that video brings, moving, effects, editing video. But then I found out that you can actually make money from a few different things by being on TikTok. So number one, how can you make money while being on the platform? One is to go live. When you build a following and go live on TikTok, your fans, your followers can send you gifts. They paid for those gifts. They send you gifts because of them showing their appreciation, their love for your content, what you do. And those gifts equivalent to money. You're able to transfer that money into your PayPal account or to your banking account. And I've actually cashed out about 3 or 4 times, and not to really get into all of that. If you have a viral video and you go live shortly after you see that video going viral, people want to come on there and see the person who made that video live. That would be like the coolest thing. And so to be on there live and they just got through laughing and commenting at a video that you just made that now has over 80,000 likes, 2,000 shares and 1,300 comments, man, they want to, say something to you. They want to say, hey, what's up? They want to know, hey, can you give me a shout out? Hey, can you mention me on this live stream? Can you look at my page? Can you comment on one of my videos? They want to engage with you in some way, and it's a cool thing, Because of that, they want to share. They want to show their generosity by sending you a gift. Now, to them, a gift might cost, anywhere from however much they spend on their gifts, because it's changed recently, where usually a drama queen used to cost $49. And I kind of did the math. At one point, a while ago, I had received 3 drama queens, and I started doing the math, and they spend $49. And of that $49 that they would send me a drama queen, I would get about $19 of that. So that is the number one way to make money on TikTok. Another way that you can make money on TikTok is by selling your merchandise. Whatever products you make, things that you have custom designed, putting a link, and I'll probably show you right here, putting a link in your profile that directs them to your website to where they can buy your t-shirts, your caps, your products, your makeup line, whatever it is that you're selling, or your music. That is another way that you can make money while being on TikTok, utilizing the platform, directing them straight to whatever it is that you are selling, or even maybe you want to give some things away, and then generating money in that sense. Now, another way that you can make money on TikTok, which is one of my favorite ways, is when people want to sponsor you, or from sponsors, should I say, and they pay you to either have their products in your video or for you to mention their brand or their product or their website, and in return you get paid per video or directly to your bank account. I've had that happen a number of times. Companies contact me and wanted me to be a part of what they were currently doing, and if I could just mention their app in a TikTok video, or if I could just be on their platform because of the following that I have on TikTok, and just by being on that website or that app that they have, I was compensated monthly by being on this other website and platform because of my following on TikTok. What I want to encourage you is, if no matter what you do, whether it's how-tos, whether it's makeup, beauty, comedy, ministry, keep producing quality content, quality videos, and at some point, trust me, you will realize, oh wow, I didn't know you can make money by being on here. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you can have some knowledge and understanding that there are ways that you can earn money and revenue by being on this platform. And it's not just, for fun and games and a kid platform, as some people may think. You can actually bring in something and have fun doing it at the same time. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that like button if you love this content. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe. That way you never miss a video when I upload one. All right, see you soon.